Jenny, I have a surprise for you. Remember we went to ToysRus that day? Do you remember? We went to ToysRus and Mommy bought you a gift. You want to see what is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Quickly. It's in the car. No, it's in the car. It's in the car.
No, I didn't.
Huh? Okay, close your eyes then. Close your eyes. Mommy's gonna go and get it for you.
Wow, it's fun song.
Battle splash water.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Keep closing your eyes. Oh my! Why did you open your eye?
Oh my goodness. Are you excited?
It's tight.
Yeah.
It's over here.
What is it? Battle splash. Are you excited? Let's open it. Yes.
What is that?
Okay, so what color is this, Jen? Oh, what color is this?
It's a fun game. Look, you guys have to play with water. What color is that?
What color is it? What color is it, Jen? Red color, we have yellow, we have a blue boat. Got a little water sprayer here. Hey guys, so we already assembled this fun little activity splash water table. Okay, so we will have Jenny play with this in our other video, so don't forget to subscribe down below to see that video. Bye, see you later.